Yeah, g'day. It's Chris O from down under, Queensland, Australia. We are doing the planks on the floor. I'll just turn my camera around. Right, I've been doing this for a couple of days. We've gone into there, so I've got it cut to the wall, but I'll be doing that later on, probably tomorrow. I'm now going into the kitchen. I'll probably go in there about halfway. I don't like walking over my newly tiles, so to speak. So then I'll work my way out. I'll do this front entrance. I'll work my way out the garage, and then I'll come in through the laundry, and I'm able to then go up the hallway and into the laundry. The owners took off the old skirting tiles in the weekend and took off the splashback. I'll repair it with some new Gyprock, easy peasy, and I'm throwing in a new splashback for them. It's all going to be in a 6x3 tile. You know, it'll take me a quarter of an hour. I'm not charging them for it. I'm doing well on the floor. I don't have to make money with everything I do. So, like, it's not very often you come onto a work site and it's on a Monday morning and it's as clean as this. You know, they're helping me out too, big time. So I've got to throw some primer sealer on that floor. But that's when I get there, I'll do that. I'm also doing the splashback for them. I've had them take off the old tiles and the Gyprock. I'll go straight over the top of those tiles. I'll just put new Gyprock up here, and it's going to be in a subway tile, so it needs to be a nice flat surface to glue them onto. So yeah, I'm not charging them for that as well. It's another short time job that I don't have to make money out of it as well. So there we go. So I'll pop this on my head, and I'll show you some of the floor where you know, what I'm doing at the moment. So I'm cutting this tile into there. I've already marked it. I just need to cut it now. In a sec. So like that. It started with a kiss. I never thought it would come to this. Oh, sorry about the singing. Need to stand it up so I can cut this piece out properly. Ooh. There we have it. I'm a little bit out. I need to just make it a little bit wider, so I cut a little bit more out. It's a little bit too exact, but I need to allow for the grout line. We'll see how it is now. That's better. Okay, I'll get underway a little bit and I'll come back to you. See you shortly. Don't forget to subscribe and you'll see me every 2 days. See ya. Bye.